The difference between regular cables and reversible cables is that regular cables look good on the front, not as good on the back. Reversible cables look attractive on both sides. For the most part, they're worked all over a rib pattern. So this is a 2x2 rib pattern here that we see. Purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2 across. I'm going to work a left turn, slip the first 4 stitches onto the cable needle, let hang in front, knit the next 4 stitches off of the needle in pattern, so that's a knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, and then I'm going to knit these 4 stitches by slipping them onto the left hand needle and working across them in pattern, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1. To work the next cable turn, which is a back cable, I'll slip the first 4 stitches onto my cable needle and hold in the back of the work, knit the next 4 stitches in pattern, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, and then slip these 4 stitches back onto the left hand needle and knit them in pattern as well. Knit 1, purl 2,